Hello everyone, we are Team Insight Strikers and we are excited to present our project ResumeRadar Job Ready Resume AI Mentor. As we are aware that many job seekers struggle to get their resumes noticed. 75% of resumes are rejected by applicant tracking system before reaching a human. This happens because of missing keywords and skill gaps. As a result, even qualified candidates are overlooked. Lack of proper formatting and irrelevant content further reduce their chances.
The resume radar will flip the script. Before you apply, our AI powered tool check your resume, highlight your missing skills, providing a tailored recommendation and ensure you meet the job expectation. Why is resume radar is a game changer? Because we provide AI resume analysis, skill gap analysis, ATS optimization, where we provide your resume match with your job description, personalized career roadmap, real-time job market.
Thank you, Krishi and Vidhi, for presenting. So we will go through workflow. First, user will upload resume along with job description. Then our AI will scan and check for the skills. If it matches, then the user will get the suggestion that they can apply for job or not. If skill not match, then user will get suggestions. Uh, Here, this is a demonstration of our website where we have used Google Gemini API for AI analysis and Google Colab for some basic tasks. So we are starting from uploading our resume first. Uh, Simply by doing this. When the file uploads successfully, it will show up message like this. Then user has to proceed to analyze. Here they will get two options. First, analyze a resume, where user will get breakdown of their resume, and here analyze your resume with job description, where user has to put their resume along with job description, and they will get the suggestions accordingly. User has to simply click on analyze. It will take couple of time to process. Uh, Here there is a complete analysis of the resume where a user also can download their analysis. PDF will look like this. In addition, our website is platform independent where user can access it from any device. Uh, so I think we have done here. Thank you.